help you with the waterfall braid. So you're going to take your hair and you're going to put it into a little part. And you're going to start braiding it. Then you're going to take one of the pieces of your hair and then you can put it in your mouth. But since I'm going to have to put it in my mouth, you're going to have to just watch me. Then, when you're done, you can always accessorize it. And if you look closely, it looks like a waterfall because the strands of your hair hang down. If you need any help with your hair in the ways that you would like to do it, just ask me, like comment on my old video that I have just posted, and you will get. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.